I think the first week in Goa, I am very happy, and I think toward the team is are very good. It's very good, and it's normal in the first week toward the capacity, the conditional, physical for the players, and it's very necessary. To start with the tactical concepts and other things very important for the team. But the pre-season is a long time. I think the first week is good, and in next days in La Manga is very important to work about the tactical things and the idea, philosophy, and the style for playing, understand the players.
Anything in particular, what will they be doing? Can you run us through a little bit of what the team will go through when they are in Spain?
¿Alguno particular, dice?
Sí, ¿qué van a hacer en España? ¿Entrenamiento de qué?
It's in Spain to training every day 4 or 3 seasons, and individualized work with the physical coach 1 season and 2 sessions on the pitch, but different conditions. In this moment, it's very important the team, the simulation, my idea, and to practice in the friendly matches, 5 friendly matches in Spain with a very good level the opponent teams. And I think it's very good the idea to club for us the possibility to travel Spain and the very good opponent teams, and the weather is different toward the conditional, the physical conditional, and it's very important when come back to Goa the adaptation this weather, but the foreign players is very different.
Coach, you picked Kingslee and Jonathan to travel with the first team to Spain. What was the thought behind it?
Jonathan in this moment need a report of the doctor because today he has a problem on training, and for us it's very important, all players of the club, not only the first team. I think it's very good work on B team and under 18 and all teams of the club. And I think it's very important the future and the present. I think are very good players in B team. It's very important to unificate the criteria about the club and to work in the same idea. And I think there are some players it's possible to help the first team in this season, but the rules on the ESL it's possible to change players, and the players that are in the best level it's possible to play with the first team.
It's gonna be very amazing. It's gonna be a tough pre-season. So we are all excited for the pre-season. We are hoping for the best and to improve ourselves and to do best for this ISL.
I'm very happy to be traveling. This is my first time I'm going to Spain. I'm very happy, and I want to see how the Spain is and how the people there, how they play football, what they do to be a good player. I want to learn many things there. Yes, he's a great coach, and under him we are learning many things. Even and I want to learn many things and want to be a better player and help the players to become better.